Welcome to the most beginner-friendly and practical Blender course on Udemy, where you don't just learn, you create. I'm your instructor, a passionate Blender teacher, here to guide you from complete beginner to confident 3D artist step by step. This course is divided into 4 clear modules, starting with Blender fundamentals, followed by over 60 hands-on projects ranging from basic to advanced. We begin with the introduction to Blender, covering installation, the interface, tools, and essential settings. Then you'll jump into 25 plus fun beginner projects, like pencils, lollipops, bottles, and chairs, that teach you while you build. Next up, intermediate projects that use modifiers, editing tools, and more detailed shapes. And finally, you'll unlock advanced modeling techniques with textures, image mapping, and pro-level builds like headphones and chocolate bars. Plus, we've included bonus projects to supercharge your creativity. Every project is short, focused, and practical, designed to help you learn by doing and build real-world 3D skills. By the end, you'll have a solid portfolio and the confidence to model your own creations in Blender. Ready to dive in? Hit enroll and let's start creating together.